In this video, I'm going to show you how to become a millionaire in the next 20 years with simple investments. So the simple investment that I'm talking about is the S&P 500. The S&P 500 gives a return of about 7 to 12, maybe even 13% every single year. And the way to become a millionaire in 20 years with the S&P 500 is by compound interest. So very, very simple. We'll come over to a compound interest calculator. And let's say you want to become a millionaire in 20 years. Well, your initial investment, let's say it's zero. Your monthly contribution would have to be about $1,000. The length of years in length of time in years, let's put in 20 into here. The estimated interest rate recently has been as high as 12% per year, and compound frequency is daily because the S&P 500 compounds daily. So let's just click on calculate here. So you will see if you put in $1,000 every single month for 20 years at an estimated interest rate of 12%, which is what the S&P 500 has been at for the last few years, you will in 20 years have 1,001,001 and some change. You will see down here you will have put into this account you will have put in $240,000, and your output will be just over a million. Now let's say you're 18, which is, I wish someone told me this when I was 18 years old, but now I'm 38 and I've only got 27 years to invest. But if I was 18 and I put in just $100 for, let's say, for 47 years until I'm 65, let's just calculate that there. So if I put in $100 for every single month for 47 years at a 12% interest rate, I would have 2.8 million when I was 65. So the longer you leave it in, the better. If you're 18, 19, in your early 20s, or even in your 20s at all, you are in you're perfectly placed to be able to make a ton of money by investing in the S&P 500 over a long period of time. I have 27 years, so I'm going to invest in it, and I will be a millionaire in 27 years, guaranteed, pretty much. So where do you go to invest in the S&P 500? Well, there's a number of different websites. You can go to Trading 212, you can go to DeGiro, you can go to eToro. There's a number of different websites, but it will depend where you are in the world. If you're in the US, Australia, the UK, or Ireland, it will be different for you. But eToro, Trading 212, and DeGiro are some of the low barrier to entry ones that you can join. So that's it for this video, guys. Just a quick little tip to get into investing, because I wish someone told me when I was 18, 19, or 21 when I started working to just put $100 away every single month and forget about it, because I'd be in a much better position now with my investments than I actually am. So that's it for this video, guys. Please hit the like and subscribe button below this video, and I'll see you inside the next video.